Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Instacart support. So first thing you need to do is open up your Instacart app and then go to profile section, and then from here simply click on this help option, and from here simply you can call them on this number, or you can simply click on this contact via Instacart option, and after this simply type here I want to contact support agent, and then simply click on this message specialist button. Simply select the type of help you want to get, and then it will automatically connect you to a customer agent. So that's how you can contact support agent on Instacart. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.